What's up, CJ crew? It's your boy Chris.
And it's Jay.
And welcome to Vlogmas. Dang, girl.
Vlogmas Day 4.
Y'all already know, we told y'all in day 3 that your girl Jay challenged your boy Chris
to a bake-off.
To a cookie bake-off. No, wait. We can insert the clip. We got it. She challenged me to a cookie bake-off. But when we got ready to go buy the stuff to make our cookies, what happened, Jay?
So I decided, well, not I decided, but I just remembered that I'm not the best cookie maker and I'm just gonna be setting myself up for failure. So I decided that I'm gonna change mine to cupcakes. So I'm gonna be making holiday cupcakes and Bae's gonna be making holiday cookies. I think that's fair.
Tell me in the comments what y'all think. Is that fair? Can you really call it a competition if you make it 2 separate things?
No, because we're gonna.
Because cupcakes don't taste like cookies.
Okay, but we're gonna go based off. It's a holiday treat. So which one looks better? Okay. And which one tastes better? So basically, presentation is #1, and then taste. But
for y'all gotta go off presentation because y'all can't taste. But we gonna do the taste testing. Y'all gonna do the presentation. And by any means, we are not certified chefs. So if y'all see us doing something in this kitchen that don't
just mind your business.
Mind your business. Let me tell you one thing, we're gonna wash our hands.
Right, so, for sure.
Y'all like this video, comment, subscribe, and let's go.
Let's go.
About to put my cookie dough. Well, I was gonna put it in a bowl, but I actually might not need a bowl. So
you don't need a bowl.
You don't know what I need.
You need me.
We're talking about in reference to cooking, man. Do y'all eat raw cookie dough? I just got a question for y'all. Because it is good, but don't consume too much, please don't.
We have all of our utensils and, what do you call it? I was going to say products.
Oil, milk.
Nah, but what do you call all of this? Your ingredients. There we go. So this stuff is mine, clearly, because I'm making the cupcakes. This is mine. That's Bae's. We're probably gonna share this one. That's like, we are gonna share. That's sprinkles. That's Bae's cookie cutters. So this is Bae's strawberry frosting. I forgot to get my cream cheese frosting, but it's on the way. I ordered it via Instacart. That's mine. Oil, eggs. So yep. Oh, babe, where's your cookie dough?
See, you trying to sabotage me. You didn't take my stuff out. You didn't take my stuff out. You didn't get me a pan, but you got your cupcake pan.
Well, maybe you
ain't got no cookie pan for me.
Maybe you should have got your stuff.
You know what? You already trying to sabotage me.
And I have our 3 eggs. Y'all, I usually don't read instructions. Like, I don't like to read instructions.
So your boy just finished cutting his cookies. I got a star, a tree, a stocking, a snowman, and 2 ornaments. Watch how your boy transform these sugar cookies into Christmas holiday classic cookies.
So I have to put mine at 350. What's your temperature?
350.
Oh, don't say it like that.
350.
All right, so we're gonna bake at 350. We're gonna hit start, and we're gonna wait for that to heat up.
So my cookies are ready to go in the oven. As y'all can see, they back there. They ready. Ma'am, you ready to go in the oven?
Yep.
350. You put the oven on 350.
Sure did.
Okay, let's see what they looking like.
They smell good too.
We are finished with the baking, and I think everything turned out good. Look at Bay's cupcakes first. Okay.
I think they look pretty good. Oh, y'all, my cream cheese frosting was delivered, so we back in the game.
Okay. And then we're gonna look at my cookies. So they got kind of bigger.
Kind of.
But I mean, they still look. Y'all still get the gist.
Still look good.
Yeah, y'all still
I'ma
get the
eat
gist. I know, cause they fire.
All right, not too much. You nervous?
Nope.
Uh-oh.
You nervous?
Okay, y'all. So I have to put the icing in here.
I have strawberry frosting.
Cream cheese is better.
Sure if y'all can see this really good, but we're gonna give y'all a close-up anyway. I'm already going ahead and start, spamming the comments.
Jay.
Let us know. Y'all already know what to say. Team Chris. So
this looks so good.
I feel like as far as presentation,
I got it.
I'm very creative with mine. I ain't using any little paper sticks or nothing. So this was all free-handed. So
that was so shady.
I have a stocking, an ornament cookie cake, a snowman, and a Christmas tree. So
you did good though.
Thank you.
I mean, I did assist.
No, you did.
Time to taste them. Okay, so you pick which one you want to eat.
Did you grease your pan?
No.
Okay.
Because I got the paper. I didn't need to grease it. Just some milk for all these sweets that we're about to devour in.
Alright. Let's see.
Ten out of 10. He can't even talk, y'all, so it's 10 out of 10.
No, I'm analyzing. I'm analyzing here. I'll give you a presentation, 10.
Okay.
So I like the little mixture. They had the red and the green there.
Okay,
And a
okay.
little gingerbread stick.
Mm-hmm.
For taste, let's see.
I already tasted it.
I'll give you about 9.
A 9?
I'll give you a 9.
Why?
Cause a 10 would have just been.
I'm always up there though.
I
So
know.
What are you trying to say?
But like you said, I think Pillsbury cream cheese do taste a little better.
Oh wow.
that's all it is. Betty Crocker, nothing against you, but
yeah, I agree.
That's the only thing. But
I got Betty Crocker, y'all, and I usually
it's still good. So you know what? It ain't even your fault. That's Betty's fault. So I'm gonna give you a 10.
Okay, thank
Give
you.
you a 10.
Okay, presentation looks good. It's good.
But what? What?
It's good. Presentation, I'm gonna give you a 10 out of 10 because you did a really good job decorating. However, for taste, I'm gonna give you an 8. I'm gonna give you an 8 only because I like to eat my cookies warm. And since you were decorating, your cookies got really cold. So
that don't wait. That has nothing to do. You have to. You can't go off personal preference. You have to go off.
You did. You went off personal preference with the
I gave you a 10 because it wasn't your fault. But I'm just saying you can't.
You gave me a 9.
I give you a 10. You can run it back. I said 10, but that's fair. You know.
Okay, I give you a 9.5. You can't beat me. That's why I'm not giving you a 10. Because you already gave me a 10.
So you gave me a 9.5.
A 9.5.
Fine.
Technically I won.
It's okay. Because we still got the crew to decide for us.
Yeah, we're gonna let
So crew spam them comments, put Team Chris.
I was gonna say Team Chris.
You can say it since you want to say it. That's how bad.
Team
Chris in the comments. Y'all let us know who did good. Wait, we gotta close out before you can eat. If you know your stuff good, you don't even gotta taste it.
I know it's good, but let's go. We'll see you guys in the next video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe.
Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend to tell a friend. Taste it. Go ahead, taste it. How would you taste it?
I know.
Tell them that Chris and Jay, we're doing Vlogmas. Y'all come back, celebrate with us, and just remember, rocking around the Christmas tree had the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung and they stopped to see.
I got all of them out.
Happy holiday.